Had read the title, then you would know that we're going over the species of the spoiled brat. However, they come in a variety of colors, like pink, purple, the rare one, teal. She has also been seen bullying an endangered species called the hated child. She is also very dangerous when she's next to the species of the famous YouTuber. By the way, we're going to cover him after the hated child episode. But for now, you're just going to have to wait. And as I say, well, I don't actually say it a lot, but bye-bye! Also check out the new playlist, which is going to be all about this. Yes, this.